Welcome to Beauty Build. I'm Marisa Kahn. Thank you for visiting our site. I'm here today to share a little bit with you about this amazing vision that just came through. My partner Simone and I, we have been together for now almost 4 years and organizing events specific on the beauty industry. My background, I have been a paramedical, I am a paramedical esthetician and had the opportunity to work with plastic surgeon and also dermatologist, which I am very grateful because sharing them, being with them, gave me tremendous knowledge in products, services, and in skincare. But most important, my last 10 years gave me the opportunity to see how much joy as a beauty professional you can have. Why? Because you really are one-on-one with your client, and when we do services, immediately can take 20 minutes or an hour, you see immediately the result. So Simone and I, we have the same vision. She's super passionate about beauty, and so as I. But our passion is to make you, professional, successful. That is where we, through these last 3 years, we did several events. And now when we go to Instagram or Facebook, we see stories like amazing. The success that people who came very insecure coming to the first day of a class, and then less than 30 days already being able to recuperate all the investment that they did for the classes. So here we are now with a brand new site and to offer you professional, the professional who wants to teach, who knows that have that tremendous gift and wanted to share. So we are here for you. We have all the logistics to provide you an amazing class. We can help you to put together your book that you'll be able to give to your client in case that you say, well, I don't know where to start. We have the perfect recipe, the formula that can make you successful. And number two, for the students, for the people who wants to change their profession. But it is one requirement for our classes. You need to be passionate. You have to have that passion in you that you want to help someone else. That must be your driving force. And here we are. We have already the logistics, we have all the consents, everything that can protect your client, that can protect yourself. We have tremendous knowledge. The last 3 years, Simone has been in contact with every different state in the United States for the Department of Health. We do everything by the book here. So we are here to assist you, to help you to grow, and this way we can grow together. So thank you for watching.